We started off as the National Additive Manufacturing Accelerator, fostering innovation for the future of production, forging connections among industry, research, and public agencies. And that hasn't changed. What has changed is the fundamental landscape of additive technology. What was once a niche area in its nascent stage is now poised to take over a substantial piece of the manufacturing pie. Additive manufacturing is expected to grow 17% annually till 2023. It's not just about fabrication anymore. There has been a systemic shift in the whole manufacturing process, in automating workflows, efficient product design with more complexities, streamlining distribution channels, and reducing carbon emissions. Additive manufacturing is growing. Are you growing along with it?
We started our AM journey in 2017 as part of the organization's Smart Manufacturing drive to learn and understand what AM is all about. As we learn from various partners and industry, we discovered that there's an opportunity for us to offer an alternative solution to our clients doing the repair and refit of their vessel. We started feasibility studies with our partners on various parts and material. During the studies, we experimented with our own machinery, where we placed a set of bevel gears for our milling machine with AM manufactured gears. The gears were tried and tested and achieved our first 3.2 certification from BNV. The gears are still working in perfect condition in this machine right now.
Our firm is always spearheading in innovation and sustainability. So 10 years ago we saw big challenges ahead of us in the construction industry. These are like climate change, and increased demand for construction, as well as labor shortages. It got us together with other companies and university to bring together our engineering knowledge with digital solutions and automation and material science to develop the 3D concrete printing technology. And we built the first 3D concrete printing facility at the TU Eindhoven in the Netherlands and started experimenting from printing 3 layers to 5 to 10, printing faces and then walls, and then adding rebar systems to create structural elements and print bridges and houses with actual tenants in them.
Singapore is one of only a few countries in the world that has a dedicated strategy for the future of manufacturing, especially through additive manufacturing. Hyperganic brings the design side, the engineering side of the equation to the table. Without a radical change in the way we engineer objects, additive manufacturing will not have full-scale adoption. And that's the side of the equation that Hyperganic is bringing to the table.
The versatility of AM is unmatched by any known machining methods. Coupled with its ability to support fast turnaround and comparatively low adoption threshold, it will be a technology most businesses can deploy and leverage on. For a small but influential economy like Singapore, AM will be an important innovation that will propel Singapore into its next level of growth, considering its versatility, connectivity, and sustainability.
PSA's internal demand, coupled with commercial uptake by the industry, can drive the scaling up of the AM Centre. Moving forward, PSA AM Centre can focus on higher value aspects of the value chain, such as design and print strategy, while partnering industry players for on-demand volume production. This will allow us to expand on-demand printing of port equipment and to realize new and remanufacturing potentials in vessel-class parts for the port and larger maritime ecosystem. Further to that, we can move into adjacencies such as built environment, infrastructure, container, and port truck chassis.
As a world-class aviation MRO hub, AM capability readiness could strengthen Singapore's position by attracting more business in MRO activities. If our MRO industry has an extensive availability of parts supported by AM solutions, This could be a strong differentiation factors for us. The Singapore government has constantly invested in R&D for competitiveness, which includes significant investment in public additive manufacturing infrastructure. This helps in facilitating the growth of AM applications and usage. In parallel with government efforts, ST Engineering has been working together with research institutes and industry partners such as NAMIC to push the boundary of AM technology and foster a more robust AM ecosystem.
In the development of 3D printing innovation across our business. With the support of EDB, we partner with National University Hospital to pilot the new 3D printing point of care model to establish Singapore as the hub of healthcare innovation in the region. We focus on helping healthcare professionals to access customized 3D printing solutions for preoperative planning and also to help patients to receive clearer insight into their surgical procedure. With 3D printing, we are reimagining a world where healthcare is delivered with greater speed, efficiency and personalization. This will raise the standard of care for Singapore healthcare industry.
We've orchestrated over 240 industry initiatives, supported over 80 startups and helped over 700 companies venture into additive manufacturing, pivoting Singapore towards a more efficient, sustainable and technologically advanced direction for the digital age. Our challenge now is to scale that adoption, to get more companies on board and help early adopters maintain their lead, to push for larger 3D printing technologies and initiatives, and to spread the transformation into business practices along the value chain. It's a tall order, but we are not doing it alone. We have grown from 3 to 8 translation and capability development hubs. We're now part of A-Star. And together, we will support Singapore's push to strengthen its position in the global value chain and achieve a circular economy, driving efforts in technology and enterprise development. In the coming years, NAMIC will continue to partner with public and private stakeholders to help companies adopt additive manufacturing capabilities and pivot to new businesses and business models. These partnerships will drive efforts in industry and standards development, scaling the local and global ecosystem, and workforce transformation. Industry support from private entities has never been stronger. Beyond the initial transition to additive manufacturing, we've also helped many of these companies assess further opportunities using the technology they have harnessed, forming a growing pool of potential partners for really exciting possibilities. They say a whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Dynamic public and private partnerships are happening all across Singapore, the building blocks of a smart digital nation and a sustainable country. By facilitating and incentivizing, we bring people, ideas, and technology together. We are NAMIC. Come share in our future.